This is Jenna Jamison, and this is my ePortfolio. As you can see, I decided to go with an ocean themed. I really want to work with marine mammals one day. That's what I'm going to school for, and I have all of that information down here on my About Me page, which is also the home page. I have included pictures of myself and my pets, and then at the bottom there are links to each of my 3 major pages, which are the major assignments, the minor assignments, and the miscellaneous assignments. So if you click on these links, it'll take you directly to those main pages, and I keep the same theme on the main pages just to keep it flowing. On the major assignments, I have my research proposal, my annotated bib, my research paper, the research in the real world project, and my ePortfolio project. So you can either click on any of these links down here, or you can click on the side over here. It'll take you directly there. So as you can see, I have a different theme or a different banner background to separate the major page, the main pages from their sub pages. And then for each thing that needs a link, like my podcast is listed here, so there's a link to that, and it'll take you to a completely different web page where I have my interview. So this is the home page of that page, and then it explains what I did. If you click on the interview button, it'll take you to my interview page where there's a link that will take you straight to my podcast. And then that's there, and you can listen to it from there. And if you go back, I have all my ePortfolio stuff. So I have my growth, and then I will have this part, how I designed and organized my ePortfolio, down in here at the bottom. I decided for the pages that would have just documents like the proposal, the bib, and the research paper, just to embed the documents themselves in instead of copying and pasting the text. But if you go to minor assignments, I have the same setup. So because it's a main page, it has the same theme as the home page in the major assignments page. And again, I have all my everything that's listed over here is also linked on the main minor assignments page. So you can go to the weekly reflections, and this is an example of how I use the dividers. I really wanted to use them to break it up and make it look a little bit more organized and a little bit more professional. I did that for the reading response logs also. Now, I kept with the same theme, but the one thing that didn't need to be included, but I wanted to include, was a miscellaneous assignments page. So here I have linked the Dirk's Navigating Genres questions and answers from that article, the in-class challenge that we did, which was to take the pictures of COD. So I have that, just a couple slides of pictures that we took. And the only slide that is different from all the others completely is the My Access Remodel page. It's green because COD's color is green. I have buttons for the things that I thought were the most important to have on there. I feel like My Access should encompass the email and the Blackboard. So if you click on the links, it'll take you straight to your email login. And same with the other ones. So it'll take you to Blackboard too. And then there are other things specifically under student menu, contact us, and continuing education that other students can use. And that is basically it. Yeah, so thank you for taking my tour.